Hi there, I'm ARIA, and welcome to Jarvis Home Hub. This is the channel where complete beginners learn to use AI, with zero jargon and zero assumptions about what you already know. Whether you've never touched AI in your life, or you've tried it and didn't get on with it, you're exactly in the right place. Right then, let's get into today's video. Research that used to take hours now takes minutes. Here's the AI method I use. Imagine you're trying to write a thesis on a new topic. Hours of research, endless browsing. That's when AI comes in. The deep research prompt structure is key. It's like asking the right questions upfront. What are we looking for? What do we already know? This helps AI give us more precise and relevant answers. Let's say you've got a long article to read, but you only have time for the highlights. That's where AI summarization comes in. You can use AI tools to condense lengthy documents into bite-sized summaries, perfect for busy learners or those new to research. Have you ever done research on a topic, only to find the same views repeated? That's where diverse perspectives come in. You can use AI tools to search for alternative viewpoints, giving you a more complete understanding of the subject. Just because AI gives you information doesn't mean it's true. Always verify your research with real sources, academic papers, books, or news articles. This helps ensure accuracy and depth in your learning. Now that you've researched and summarized, it's time to build a document. Use your AI research to create a comprehensive guide, including key points, examples, and visuals. This is where you can apply everything you've learned. So there you have it. You now know the AI research skills to help you learn any subject in minutes. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips.